small business problems. I have two printers. One's a thermal label printer that I use for all my shipping labels, and the other one is just a regular like inkjet printer. And for some reason both are not working right now, so I had to have my mom print some labels out for me. And this is why thermal label printers are the king. Look how big this is. She didn't know how to print them, you know, multiple on a page, which is fine. But now I've got to use this torture device to attach them all to my poly mailers. So now I need to figure out what's wrong with my printers, or it's got to be my computer. Even though I troubleshooted it and restarted everything and said my printers were fine. But clearly not if it wouldn't print shit. Forgot to mention my kids hate the sound of this damn thing. So do I.